Speaking of visas, the next question that's going to appear. I have paid for a working visa to travel overseas and work. The cost of the visa is directly related to earning an income. Is the cost of getting a visa for work a tax deduction?
Now, this is an interesting one because I would argue, common sense, it is directly related to work, so it should be a tax deduction. But the tax office have issued a ruling that says a visa application cost is private in nature, so we can't claim it.
There you go. And I think we've got one final question for you, Roy, and this is a little bit different to the others. I pay for Twitter, the X membership, $19 per month. Is the cost of Twitter or X a tax deduction?
So, social media is not a tax deduction. That's the default approach at the tax office, so no tax deduction. But the exception to that might be somebody who's a blogger or an influencer who is getting paid for their posts on social media. So that sort of person is in business, so they get to claim Twitter or any social media as a tax deduction. But Dave, you and I, who have next to no followers, we don't get to claim Twitter as a tax deduction.
I was just going to say the opposite. I've heard that you're building quite the following on TikTok, Roy, and that perhaps you might be able to claim that as an influencer in time to come as we continue to build audience here on RJ Sanderson TV.